In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dreamy, ethereal look using CapCut. Let's dive right into the process, making it easy for you to add that magical touch to your video projects. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Effects tab in CapCut. This is your go-to place for transforming the vibe of your footage with awesome visual effects. Here, you can search for two specific effects that will set the mood perfectly: Haze and Soft Blur. These effects are designed to soften the edges and add a gentle, misty quality to your video, which is exactly what we're aiming for. Once you've found the Haze or Soft Blur effect, the next step is to drag it onto the track above your video clip. Think of this process like adding a filter to a photo. You're overlaying a new layer that enhances the core elements of your visual without taking away its essence. Simply click and drag the desired effect, layering it directly over your footage. This blending is what will start turning your ordinary clip into something that looks much more poetic and stylish. Now, with the effect placed, we need to fine-tune it to get just the right amount of dreaminess. Head over to the right panel. This is where you'll find controls to adjust the intensity and blur amount. You'll want to play around with these settings until they fit the aesthetic you're going for. Increasing the blur will create a softer image, while dialing up the intensity will make the effect more pronounced. Take your time here to experiment, as this is where you can inject your personal style into the edit. To heighten the dreamy effect further, consider layering in some light leaks or a white glow overlay. Light leaks are wonderful for adding a natural faded light effect that feels organic and lends an air of nostalgia. Similarly, a soft white glow can envelop your scene in a gentle light, amplifying that ethereal quality we're chasing. These additions are optional but can significantly enhance the overall ambiance. And there you have it, a few simple steps to transform your footage into a visual dreamscape with CapCut. By strategically using the haze or soft blur effects and enhancing them with light leaks or a white glow, you can create a piece that truly stands out with its soft, ambient allure. Whether your project is a dreamy short film or a whimsical music video, these techniques will serve you well in creating something truly captivating. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your editing skills.